All right, highlights from Tuesday's day trading chat room at GreatStockPicks.com. The highlight of the day, the big one, was REE, one of the rare earths. Was set to gap up around 1263, set to open around 1263, so that landed it on our watch list. And now let me go to the intraday using 5-minute candles here. We called this using a method I've been kind of experimenting with lately, with an entry of 1270. That was the entry right there that I called in chat this morning. Worst case stop. And this is what I'm always proud of. The worst case stop was 15 cents below. So 15 cents risk on a $12 stock, not too bad. And the stop never got hit. And from 1270 made it, as you can see, to 1350. I'll zoom out here. Very nice move. And REE actually trying to close strong here. The market's still open for about another 10 minutes. So not a bad looking chart. Maybe headed higher still. All out of it now though. And there was some other stuff. If you traded at all today, you know how the market just grinded higher. It was strong, but it was a slow grind all day, giving, in my opinion, very few clear-cut setups. At least trading the way we trade. Stuff just grinding higher. For an example, I called ACN today at 53.84. Okay, so right about here, and a stop right about here. So yeah, it worked. It's at 54.23 right now, and could still go higher. There's still 10 minutes left in the session. So not a bad move. 43 cents so far. No, about 40 cents so far. Sorry. And the stop, I'm proud of this. The stop was only 12 cents below, so never got hit. So 12 cents below and a 40-cent move. But that doesn't make the highlight list. It's not a huge move or a great percentage move or anything. And it's just an example of, and look how long it took to work. I mean, we called it here, and 5, 10, 15, about a half hour later, it was still right around that price. And then it went higher, came back to that price. So that's the kind of action the whole market gave. I will share with you a Foot Locker. This thing was just grinding down. People, we had it on watch because we saw the sell-off. People kept asking me, hey, when do we go long? When do we go long? When do we try to bounce it? And I finally projected it because it became interesting to me using a method I teach. And this isn't on the highlight page either because I didn't put it out as an official announcement, but I was projecting it at the time and said that I really liked this little stair step at what looked like a possible bottoming here. I really liked it. Whoops, I'm going to use a line instead. Like these 2-minute candles. It had the look of what we look for, so I was projecting it and said over this candle it could go 1915 trigger, 1909 stop. I was really done trading for the day, but I put that idea out there along with the projection so everyone could see it on their chart as it was forming, and I know some of our members took it because there was a bunch of thank yous. And from 1915, you can see it went all the way to 1954. So that's something that won't be on the results page because I didn't put it out as an official typed announcement, with the alert bell and all that. But I was projecting it, gave the audible idea, and it certainly paid off nicely for some, but not for me. Anyway, not a bad day, but a slow grind in a lot of stocks. So really a boring day. On a day like today, if I could do this over, I would have a one of those Keurig coffee pots right here in my office and probably gone through about 6 or 7 of those little K-cups just to stay awake. But anyway, not a bad morning, and that's when we've been making most of our money. So anyway, I'm Stop Babbling, and we'll send out another video on Wednesday night with what we do tomorrow, Wednesday, in our chat room. Have a good night.